Hey guys, how are you? Regards from Argentina. Well, I have an AKX 880 Panasonic audio system. Have you any problem with cut sounds or fault with any Panasonic audio system? The solution is a firmware update. We will need any computer and pen drive. For mobile phones, please go to next video in my channel. First, we must to open any browser and search the model firmware. For example, AKX 880 firmware, or go to todoflw.com/Panasonic Audio. Double-click on File for Unzip. Copy this file. Later, connect a pen drive, go to My Computer and paste the file. Connect the pen drive in USB-B or number 2 in Audio System. Press Memory USB button to select USB-B. Restart the audio system. When the display show update, please press up or down button of remote control. And later, right or left button to select OK and Yes. Just wait. Later, you must shut down an audio system or unplug the cable if not respond. And ready! Enjoy your new audio system. Thanks for watching.